So we're recording now.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Dunahoe. I miss you guys so much. I and my friend Sarah here are practicing reading books together. I thought I would read this really cool book called Bean 13. And these bugs, let me tell you, they have a problem. And we're gonna try to help them figure it out. So let's get started. It was a warm summer night. Ralph and Flora were picking up beans for dinner. "How many do we have?" asked Flora. "Looks like 12, said Ralph. "I'll take one more," said Flora. "Don't do that," shouted Ralph. "Why on earth not?" asked Flora. 13 is an unlucky number, said Ralph. "Everybody knows that." "You're being silly," said Flora. "I am not," said Ralph. "You are too," said Flora. "I am not." "Are too," said Flora. "Am not," said Ralph. At home, Ralph and Flora spread the beans out on the table. They made 2 piles, one for each of them. Each pile had 6 beans. "Oh, look," said Flora. "There's one left over." "You take it, Ralph." "Bean 13? gasped Ralph. "Never, it's bad luck." "Ralph," said Flora, "please don't make a fuss. I'm not eating it and you can't make me." "I have an idea," said Flora. "I'm not eating it," said Ralph. Flora called their friend April. "April, would you like to come over for dinner? We're having beans." "I don't understand," said Ralph. "We're only going to feed April 1 bean?" "Of course not," said Flora. "We're going to make 3 piles." Ralph and Flora separated the beans into 3 piles. Each pile had 4 beans, and then there was 1 bean left over. "Bean 13, said Ralph. "I told you." "That is odd," said Flora. "Let's invite Joe too and make 4 piles, added Ralph, "so it's fair." But when they made 4 piles, there was still 1 bean left over. "I don't understand," said Flora. "I do," said Ralph. "Bean 13 is trouble." "It's just a bean," said Flora. "I'll call Meg and we'll make 5 piles." But something still wasn't right. "Why does Rocco get 3 beans?" complained Ralph. "That's more than anyone else." "Well, we could give him 2, said Flora, but what?" said Ralph. "Never mind," said Flora. "Tell me," said Ralph. "But what?" "It's just that we still have an extra bean," said Flora. "I'm really not sure why." "Lousy bean 13, cried Ralph. "I can't stand it." Ding dong, went the doorbell. "Our guests are here," shouted Ralph. "What are we going to do?" He jumped to his feet. He bumped the tables and the beans went everywhere. "Oh, Ralph," sighed Flora, "what a mess." "Sorry," said Ralph. "Here," said Flora, "take this bowl and gather up the beans and I'll get the door." "Hello, everyone," said Flora. "I'm so happy you could come." "There are fresh beans in the bowl on the table," said Flora. "Please help yourselves." The bugs sat down to eat. "Does everyone have enough?" "It's perfect." "You bet." "Just right." "Absolutely." "Me too." How strange, thought Ralph. Dinner was great fun, but at last it was time for the bugs to go home. "You have to admit," said Flora, "that worked out perfectly." "It did," said Ralph, "but I'm confused. What happened to bean 13? Flora shrugged. Someone ate it. But who? Asked Ralph. We'll never know, said Flora. Maybe April, maybe Rocco, maybe even you. All right, guys. So there's something odd about being 13, right? I want you guys to try to see if you guys can solve their problem. How can you make 13 equal piles? So you can use anything at home. See if you can make 13 into equal piles. So I'm going to use cereal today because what I have, and I'm going to get out 13 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm gonna challenge myself, and I'm gonna work on this, and I want you guys to see what happens if you try to make enough equal piles for all your friends if you were having a party, just like your friends for being 13. Well, again, I miss you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed reading my story, listening to my story. Thanks so much. I'm just gonna send it.